Hi everyone, welcome to Best of Health channel, where we unravel amazing health tips, secrets and recipes for your health and well-being. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly subscribe for free and turn on the notification button to get notified immediately we post a new video. Did you know that a juice made of beetroot and strawberries can help cure erectile dysfunction for you to become the king at night? Watch the full video as we reveal to you this simple but powerful recipe. Strawberries. Research has shown that eating foods that are rich in flavonoids can help cure erectile dysfunction. In recent study, it was found that men who consumed strawberries are less likely to battle with erectile dysfunction. This is due to the fact that strawberries contain a great amount of flavonoids in them. Hence, the best fit for erectile dysfunction. Strawberries are antioxidant-rich fruits that contain vitamin C and methylxanthines, which are known to activate libido. Strawberry seeds, which are found outside of the fruit, are equally beneficial. They are rich in iron and help to increase the production of testosterone, a sex hormone that can stimulate male libido. High antioxidant content in strawberries helps to improve blood circulation and will make the penis erect easily when getting sexual stimulation. Beetroot. The compounds in beetroots do pose many benefits to the human body. This may explain why a lot of men say beet juice helps them avoid erectile dysfunction. In spite of this, many men say regularly drinking beet juice helps them get or keep an erection. Beet juice helps the body produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is often used to open up the blood vessels and is mostly sold as a dietary supplement for erectile dysfunction. Nitric oxide helps keep the pressure in the corpus cavernosum, which helps to keep an erection during intercourse. There must be enough pressure in the tissue to keep the blood trapped and to maintain an erection. Nitric oxide helps sustain this pressure. Beet juice may contribute to this because it is high in nitrates, and the body turns these nitrates into nitric oxide. Beets also appear to affect other circulation factors of erectile dysfunction. High blood pressure may influence erectile dysfunction, as it may make it difficult for blood to flow to the penis to enable an erection. Research has found that beetroots are high in nitrates and can lower the blood pressure hypertensive people. Beetroot contains cyclic guanosine monophosphate or CGMP, which helps the penile arteries to relax in order to allow an increased blood flow to the penis. A recent study trusted source found that high nitrate foods might also increase the amount of CGMP in the male body. This could mean foods such as beets may potentially help men keep an erection. The more the amount of CGMP, the faster the blood flow to the penis, and the faster the blood flow to the penis, the faster the erection develops and lasts longer. To prepare this juice, wash and cut fresh strawberries and beetroots and pour both into a blender. Add 1 cup of water 120 milliliters and blend the mixture thoroughly. Pour the juice into a glass jar and enjoy. Drink it 1 hour before intercourse with your spouse. You will be full of energy. Kindly subscribe for free, like and share to family and friends. See you in our next video.